Welcome to Abhyaas Lawprep. Today we are here to give you the detailed plan for 30 days to prepare the current affairs. Because you know that CLAT 2024 exam is scheduled on December 3. The last 30 days is very crucial to revise all the current affairs topics. It is equally important for fresher as well as an experienced person. Then how to approach these current affairs? Because you can get at least 25 to 28 marks in the current affairs section within 10 to 15 minutes. Then how to prepare for current affairs in the last 30 days? Let's start our discussion today. So first, the main important thing is you need to know from where the CLAT is going to ask the questions. So these are the focused areas based on previous year's examinations from 2020 to 23. The latest pattern started in 2020. Till last, we have 4 years of question papers. Based on that, let us identify the important areas, because the last minute preparation, you need to focus only on important topics, not on every topic. So based on the previous year's data, polity, international affairs, and economy and defense. These are the 4 important topics, 4 important areas where every year there is at least one question on almost 3 papers. Environment, science and technology, sports, all these years it got least preference, but it doesn't mean it is not important, but here we are trying to focus on the most important areas. So polity, international relations, economy and defense. So these are the 4 important areas where you need to give importance first. Afterwards, you can give importance to environment, science and technology and sports. As this year you may also get topic on sports because of World Cup series, Formula E race, MotoGP race in India, all unique aspects. Next, after identifying the areas, you need to know what topic you need to prepare, because now you come to know about polity, IR, defense, economy as an important aspect. Then what are the topics you need to prepare in those particular areas? So for your convenience, we at Abhyaas Lawprep have prepared 100 must known topics of all the areas based on the importance. So if you read simply all these 100 topics, there is fair chance of getting good score in the current affairs section. After that, arrange it in the order of importance. So as now you got the 100 important topics, these 100 important topics you need to sort out based on the importance, as we already made it for convenience of you. But if you are not aware of these topics, at least you need to identify those topics from the various websites or various newspapers or various magazines, etc. You, after getting all those topics, you need to arrange in the order. As we know, polity, IR, economy and defense are the most important aspects. So first you need to arrange those topics as per that area. After that, you can move to the environment, science and technology and sports. Read at least 3 topics from these 100 topics. So as we got the list of 100 topics, now you need to prepare at least 3 topics, so that in the next 30 days you can cover almost 90 to 95 topics at very easy. So preparing 3 topics daily is nothing, is very simple. Just Google search the topic, take notes of the facts and important information and write it down, revise it. So daily 3 topics is very much easy to prepare. In the next 30 days, you may not feel any burden if you do like this. And practice and mock test daily. It can be from any website or any institute. We at Abhyaas Lawprep has created 75 mock tests based on the latest CLAT pattern. So daily and mock test and daily important topics, these two go hand in hand. If you prepare like this, the 28 marks out of 28, minimum 25 marks will be yours in the final CLAT examination within 10 to 15 minutes, which is a fetching point to get into the NLP. So this is the success mantra of CLAT: read, revise and practice. If you keep on doing this daily for the next 30 days, so that you will be getting a lot of confidence that you can be able to write any point, any question, any topic from current affairs section. So, based on this analysis, you practice on a daily basis, write on a daily basis, read on a daily basis. If you have any doubt, you can always reach out as Abhyaas Lawprep. For your convenience, we will keep the link of our website and the contact number at the end of the video so that you can always be in touch for any sort of queries. So keep rocking. With that, all the very best for your CLAT 2024. Always try to reach us at Abhyaas Lawprep. All the best for exam.